Good morning. Hey y'all, welcome back to
Into the Woods.
So me and London just came back from the store Sunday morning, and we're gonna do a quick little grocery haul for you today. Found some good finds. Today is Sunday, first day of Super Bowl. Okay, Redskins playing today. Whoop whoop.
It's not the Super Bowl, it's just one.
Not the Super Bowl, y'all. Well, first day of opening game day for football. So for all you football lovers, whoop whoop. Hopefully you got some good things on your table cooking, or you're gonna be making some good meals today. So we just went to the grocery store. I'm about to put this stuff away and cook some breakfast. I'm not sure what yet, but let's get to the video. So I'm in the kitchen doing this grocery haul. So I got the kids this multi-grain Cheerios, mainly for Porter. Give her some healthy choices. Got this box of ziti riggati. Guess that's how you say it. Ziti riggati. So I'm gonna make some pasta this week, and I'm gonna put this corn in it. It's kind of like a make up as you go type pasta. I've never put the corn in the pasta, but I feel like that would be pretty good. And what I'm gonna put in the pasta is these hot Italian sausages. So I got them for $1.99, and normally they're about $3. So I got that one, and I actually picked up two. So I got a sweet Italian sausage for $1.99. Also, normally those are about $3. So I got some juice, some apple juice. Got some grape juice. So those are for the kids too. And I found these, London, one of these, some Reese's peanut butter chips. So these are good, and I picked these up because those was on sale too for $1.39, y'all. So when y'all find these little gems or good finds in y'all store, pick those up and put them in your cabinet. The holiday time is coming around. Whenever you want a quick little snack, put it on some ice cream, you know, whatever little dessert you want, you will have them already. Just melt them down, and those would be so good. So those are for that. And y'all, her birthday coming up too, so she probably gonna save them to do something for her birthday. Yeah. She talking about some who, like she haven't been reminding me it's her birthday since January, and her birthday is in October. So we got these. I normally don't buy these little pots of rice, but I just went on ahead and got them today. They're $1 in our store. So this is the chicken broccoli, and I got just a regular chicken flavor one, and another creamy chicken. So I got that. Got some butter, some sharp cheddar cheese. So I love some cheese. We go through some cheese in the house. So I'm going to use this actually for the pasta that I'm going to make this week. And what else we got? Got the kids some Lunchables. So they're back in school now. Thank goodness, because they just eating up everything in the house. So just got to have them some things for when they come home from school. So these Lunchables will be for those. And then I'll be able to get them some other things this week too. Also got some extra cheesy pizza Lunchables. They like the pizza ones. And then we got some the nacho flavor ones. So those are good too. What's your favorite flavor? What's your favorite ones? The pizza, the nachos. What's your favorite one?
The nachos.
Yeah, see, they like the nachos the best. Okay. Also got some mozzarella cheese, so that will go in the pasta as well. I'm also probably going to shred some of this up and put it on top of the pasta. We got some strawberries. So these was actually buy one get one free. So whenever I see that buy one get one free, I'm on it. So I bought two of those. So this is the first one, and that's the second one. Buy one get one free. Got some Elio's pizza. It seemed like everything was gone today. I guess because everyone's shopping for the week. all the pizza selections that we normally would get was gone. So I just went with these Elio's pizzas. The kids can eat those when they come home from school. And I got this sofrito. It's a tomato cooking base with green peppers, onions, cilantro, garlic, and olive oil. And I bought that to go with the dinner for tonight. I'm going to show you the meat that I bought that's going to go with that. Got some sugar. Always need to have some sugar in the house. Never know what you're going to need it for. The kids love mangoes. So Twan and Emmy, they always ask me for mangoes. They're green. They're not ripe yet. So we're going to leave those out. They'll go ahead and get ready. Got some bread. Bananas. So the kids love bananas. They could pretty much go through that whole bundle today if they wanted to. Got some vanilla checks. So they love these little checks. And this flavor is actually new. So those was really good. They liked those the last time I had brought them. So I got some more today. And then these are the cinnamon ones. So Porter loves these because they got, you know, the cinnamon sugar on there. And then these are the vanilla ones. Don't they look good? All right. So y'all know we stay with the oodles and noodles. So got the shrimp flavor and got the beef flavor. And normally those are $1.69, but they was on sale for buy one. Well, they was on sale for 10 for 10. So I just got 2 packs. And then something that I normally don't buy also, but some Vienna sausages. These was also on sale today. Just picked up these. They like to have these sometimes, so just went on ahead and bought those. Now, as far as the dinner for tonight, the meat that I bought. Hold on 1 second. Let me. So the meat that I ended up picking up for tonight's dinner is this pork loin roast. And it was on sale for $6.02. Normally it's originally $12.04, so that was half the price. So at our store, they will put these little yellow stickers on there when they get marked down when it's closer to, you know, sale. So I went on ahead and picked that up. And I don't cook it. You see how thick it is? It's like really thick. That's going to be good. But I butterfly this. I don't cook it whole like this. I cut it in half. And then I season it and then put it in my crock pot or put it in the oven. Just let this go for a few hours and it'll be nice and tender. So if you want to shred this up, make some tacos with it. Or if you want to just leave it like a roast, add whatever vegetables or potatoes you want. You can make a gravy, you know, cook the roast, slice it up, add some gravy, some onions on top. That'll be good. So I'm not sure how or what I'm going to do with this yet, as far as if I'm going to put this in the crock pot or I'm going to put it in the oven. So if y'all haven't checked out my last crock pot video, which was the oxtails, check that video out. Let me know if you guys want to see more of those crock pot style type videos. I'm just trying to get a feel of what you all want to see. So give me a thumbs up if you did like that video. They were so good, fell off the bone. They were so flavorful, and this pork roast would be nothing but the same thing. So let me know if y'all want to see more of those crock pot recipes. I love doing those. You can just put this roast in there, turn that crock pot on and let it go. Put your seasonings on there, and then when you come back, make you some homemade gravy. All right, y'all, so that was the video for today. Quick grocery haul that me and London did at the store. Hope you give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Remember what I said about the crock pot recipes. Let me know if that's something more that you want to see. Comment down below. And if you do want to see some more crock pot recipes, let me know which one you want me to cook. So that way I have an idea of what videos to put together for you. So,
bye, guys.
Why you said it all dry? We'll see y'all next time.
Bye, guys.
I guess you're not trying to leave, right? Like, we can't stay on the video all day long. We gotta put this stuff away. See y'all next video. Peace. Got some eggs. So y'all, let me tell you, so since the summer vacation, the kids have been just in here cooking. So they've been trying to figure out how to cook, learn how to cook, and they've been cooking some eggs, and they taste good. Especially Emmy, she'll come out here and make her some eggs, and them things be good. She be like, Mom, my eggs better than yours now. So, you know, let your kids experiment. You know, start them off slow with some eggs, and then just work their way up.